现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Icrt客家風 on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。过年的时刻啊，对不对？恭喜发财，恭喜发财的，
发达了。
That's right. It's Chinese New Year time, right? And we're wishing everyone a happy Chinese New Year. But also during Chinese New Year, the traffic is gonna be so bad. 其实很喜欢过年，但唯独就是塞车的时候有点头痛，对不对？Let's put you in this scenario. Every time it's so congested. 每次怎么说？
大拜。
大拜。Okay, that's every time. 每次除夕夜回家都塞车。There's a lot of traffic on every Chinese New Year.
大拜30安补。
大拜30安補。
轉福下。
轉福下。
都食茶。
都食茶。
大拜30安補轉福下都食茶。
對，好可憐啊！食茶就是塞車 ，right? I mean that means a congestion, a traffic jam. And then 每一次大拜嘛 ，OK? 30安補，
也就是除夕夜。
Oh, that is New Year's Eve. Got it. 30安補。从台北回屏东要开很久吧，尤其这是北到南的，对。比如说台北到苗栗就算了，
对，从北到南去了。
It's going to be probably a 7-hour drive.
那肯定要很久。
From Taipei to Pingtung, you're going to have to drive a long time, right?
啲台北。
啲台北。
轉屏東。
轉屏東。
愛是董叫號，
愛是董叫號 ，OK， 董叫就是很久，董叫 that's a long time, very long time from 台北 to 屏東 ，OK, just sounds very similar, of course. Last time I drove 10 hours to arrive. 我上次開10個小時才到呢。
捱送拜，40點鐘叫
，40點鐘叫，
漳州
才到了哈。
對呀，
漳州 then I arrive。哎呀，其實還是坐高鐵到高雄，然後再坐車比較方便一點。
對，像我都在北部，我就很幸運。
That is why maybe it's better to take public transportation, you know? All right, let's review some of these phrases right here, such as New Year's Eve, 除夕夜
30安補
，30安補 Okay, that's New Year's Eve, congestion, traffic jam, 塞車
食茶
and long time, 很久啊。
董叫
And it's all about the phrase 每次
大拜
And trust me, every time Chinese New Year, there's going to be a lot of traffic jam on the road. Listen to ICRT. We'll try to make your time go faster, okay? That does it for today's Icrt客家
是母太嘎。
只say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.